Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the handle and attachment points closely. You want to know if the webbing, stitching, or anchor is the failure. Once you see the break, prepare a heavy needle and nylon thread rated for load. Fabric glue helps temporary hold. Cut away frayed fibers. Melt ends with a lighter to stop further fray. Make sure to position a clamp or clothespin so the handle aligns naturally. This reduces stress when you sew. You now reinforce the attachment by creating a backing patch from sturdy fabric. Overlap the webbing by 1/2 inch to 1 inch for a secure seat. Thread the heavy needle and sew a box with an X inside. This pattern distributes load across fabric. Make 3 to 4 passes through each side so stitches compress the layers. Once done, apply a thin bead of fabric glue between layers and clamp until cured. This bonds fibers and prevents slip during first uses. You finish by trimming loose ends and melting knot tips gently so they won't unravel. Tuck the final knot under the webbing fold for a neat, protected finish. Then test carefully. Lift with 2 to 3 times the weight you usually carry, slowly. This verifies the repair under stress. If stitches begin to pull out or the fabric tears, make sure to add a washer or install a rivet through the anchor and backing patch. That one troubleshooting step prevents repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.